In this blog, we'll be getting started with a new series on Stripe payment gateway integration in your Flutter applications. So I'll be quickly trying to show you how we can integrate Stripe in Flutter application and trying to run on both Android and iOS devices here. So here let me tap on make payment on both the devices and show you how we can make the payment online now. So now that we have got the payment sheets open on both Android and iOS devices, let me try to quickly make the payment now. Here you can see on an Android device, I have selected the card option out of available options for payment. And let me try to make this payment here quickly. I am trying to make use of the test card here and trying to specify the card details. And here the amount is already been specified. Let me try to add the zip code and try to make the payment. And before making this payment, let me try to add the same details on the iOS device as well here. So yes, now let me try to provide the zip code for the country, and let us try to make the payments now and try to observe these particular payments are getting reflected on our dashboard or not. Currently I have just one payment in my dashboard, that is 19.12 USD balance, and gross is $20 here it is showing. Let me try to complete these two payments and try to see whether they get reflected on my dashboard or not. So I will be making iOS payment first and it is successful. And now let me try to make the Android payment as well. Yes, even this one is successful. Let me try to go back and try to refresh the page so that I can see the latest payments that are being done. Yes, it is now 53.46 USD balance it is showing. Previously we were having 19.12 dollars as balance, and now the two payments got reflected here. So here even you can see the date wise payments that are being made, and you can select the exact date on which you want to see the payments. And even if you click on more payments here, you can see the $10.99 is being made from the iOS platform and $25 is being made from the Android platform. So the time is also the same here, and the status is succeeded. No payment is failed here, and you can find all the transaction level details in the dashboard, and you can even export them through this particular option available over here. I hope you understand what I am trying to explain you, and in this series I will be clearly explaining you how to get started, how to implement the Stripe in your Flutter application, and how to create the payment intents as well. And what are payment intents? How do you create them? That is similar to that of a backend operation that needs to be done to make your payment sheet visible on your application. So now that we got this particular payment sheet here on our screen, right? So to make this payment screen appear in our application, we need to create a payment intent, and I'll be clearly explaining you everything in this series on Flutter Stripe integration. I hope you found this video interesting. This is kind of an intro video I just want to put in front of you people so that you get what we are trying to do in this particular series. And if you are looking forward for this series, I suggest you to stay subscribed to our channel and hit on the notification bell icon for more interesting updates.